Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to properly wash, grease and store your John Deere tractor so it stays in top condition throughout the off season. Whether you use your tractor for mowing, landscaping or small farm work, regular end of season maintenance is the key to protecting your investment. We will go step by step through cleaning, lubricating critical points and prepping your tractor for a long-term storage, so it's ready to run smooth when spring arrives. So let's get started, and welcome to the MG Factor. Park the tractor on a flat surface and turn it off. Let the engine cool. Check the debris, clogged screen or damaged areas before washing. Use a low pressure hose to rinse off mud, grass and debris. Avoid high pressure near electrical connection and bearings. Cleaning using a bucket with a tractor safe detergent or mild soap. Scrub wheels, deck hood and undercarriage with a soft brush. You can use the leaf blower to dry down the tractor or just wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. Pay attention to the metal areas where moisture can cause rust. Change or check essential fluids, engine oil and filter, hydraulic fluid, fuel stabilizer. It's very important for the storage. Grease all fittings. Typical points include your front axle pivot, steering spindles, moving deck wheels, shaft and drag link and the steering points. Pump grease until you see a slight movement or a fresh grease emerging. Do not overfill. See? So that's done. Prepping for storage. Inflate tires to recommend PSI. Clean and oil mover blade slightly to prevent rust. Store the tractor under cover, shed or garage, or use a breathable tractor cover. Make sure the fuel tank is full with added stabilizer to prevent condensation. Disconnect the negative cable or use a battery maintainer. Store the battery indoor if you are in a cold climate. I will put it in the trickle charger, and this is done for the season. Just don't forget to keep this nut and bolt together so you don't lose them. And that's all. Your John Deere tractor is now fully washed, greased and prepped for storage. A little care at the end of the season will keep your equipment running smoothly and extend its lifespan for years to come. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more tractor, yard and home maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.